my channel. I'm here to share with you guys the September 2018 release for Dee's shop, and that is Elegant Embellishments. And I will have Dee's channel as well as link to her exhibit store in the description box below, and all the other information that I provide in this video. So let's get started. There are a ton of new items and they are all absolutely gorgeous. So first I want to share with you guys some of the bling that she just brought in, and these are rhinestone flower centers, and isn't that absolutely gorgeous? So this is actually the medium size one. She does have a large, medium, and a small for this month, and basically this is the medium and this measures 2 inches in diameter. And I hope you guys can see the sparkle in that. That is going to be a fantastic focal point of any project. And the great thing about these is that there is this ring on the back that is soldered on. So you can attach a jump ring. You can use this as a flower center, or you can use this as a jewelry statement. So I could put a jump ring back here and just have that hanging as a pendant, or you can wire wrap this and make a really large ring, I guess. That's probably a little bit too big, but let me share with you the small size. So if you wanted to really make a statement, you can wire wrap that. Look how beautiful. And this one is the small, and this is 1.5 inches in diameter. So like I said, she does have a large. I don't have that one, but that one is 2 3/8. So just a little bit bigger than this one. So make sure to add these into your cart because they are gorgeous. Next up is this wooden embroidery hoop. These are so much fun. I did do a project earlier this year using an embroidery hoop. This one measures 5 1/4, and that is the outer hoop here. And then the inner hoop is 5 inches. And it is just a super cute size. You can use this so many different ways. You can paint it, you can paper it, you can put lace on it, so many different things. And I also do love the wood, just plain wood color. So that's really fun to play with. And next up, I'm going to share with you all the beautiful laces that she has in the store this month. These are all sold by the yard. And first up is this cream scalloped Venice lace. It is absolutely gorgeous. Look at all the detailing on this. So this is 3 1/4 inches wide. Really beautiful. Next, she does have a dangle lace, and this one is pure white. Absolutely gorgeous. I love dangle laces. And this one is a white dangle Venice lace. So from the top to the bottom, it measures 4 1/2 inches. Beautiful. I cannot wait to use these laces on some upcoming embellishments and then to put on some projects. I then have a white scalloped Venice lace. So beautiful. You can totally cut these apart. You can use it as edging either on a card or a altered box. This one measures 4 1/4 inches from the top to the bottom of this point. And these are just super quality. I love the laces she carries. Next, I have a white embroidered lace. Look how gorgeous this is. This is a little bit more off-white. Let me show you a comparison in the color. So this is the one I just showed you. So you can see it's a little bit off-white. It's not really cream, but this one is super wide. This measures 7 3/8. And like I said, with the other ones, you can totally cut this apart. But I love it. I think you can cut like sections of this and use that as an embellishment, like the bottom layer. So there's that. I also have this 3D flower Venice lace, and look how much you can trim apart on this. The flower on the top is attached. You can just pop a rhinestone or some sort of flower center in the middle, and that would be absolutely gorgeous. You can also cut apart these smaller flowers, tuck in some of the leaves. There's so much you can do with this. So I love this. Here is the next Venice lace. This one is a little bit more dainty. This measures about 2 1/8 inches in height. And remember, with all these laces, they are great to take pigment. So you can dye them by using some of your sprays. You can avocado dye them, tea dye them, and they will pick up the color beautifully. I'm always a big fan of cutting apart these laces and using them as just different little elements in any of the embellishments that I make, which is super fun. And then I have one last lace to show you guys. Look at how gorgeous this Venice lace is. There's this prominent flower. There's a 5-petal flower. And to me, these look like little leaves. Or you can probably cut this apart and it will look like a wing. How super fun. There's like this brickwork pattern in the background. This one measures about 4 3/8 inches wide. And this one is a very bright white. Now she does have some other laces in her shop right now. I don't have those to show you, so make sure to go and visit Dee's store at Elegant Embellishments on Zibbit. Like I said, I will have the link to her shop, and she does have a sale going on, so it is from now until 3:00 p.m. tomorrow Pacific Standard Time. So that is going on until Monday, Labor Day, at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So make sure to run over there right now and pick up some of these goodies before they sell out, because as you guys know, once items sell out in her shop, she no longer has them. And also, she just got in some new charms. You should go check them out. They are super, super cute and great for the upcoming holiday. And lastly, I do have a coupon code for you guys. If you want to save 20% on your entire purchase, use the code MIMI20, and I will have that on the screen as well as in the description box. And you can save 20% off your entire purchase. So that is an amazing deal. She already has amazing prices in her shop, so make sure to take advantage of that. Also, I wanted to let you guys know that she will need And lastly, I wanted to let you guys know to please allow up to 5 business days. And I also wanted to let you guys know to please allow Dee 5 days to get and process orders, because as you see, there are a ton of laces this month and she does have to cut everything by hand. So please be a little bit patient with her. Like I mentioned before, she is a one-woman shop, so she wants to get the best customer service out to you guys. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I really appreciate you guys stopping by to take a look at the September release items for Elegant Embellishments, and I will see you guys in my next video. Happy shopping, guys. Bye.